Hi there, I'm Dan, co-founder here at PPC Geeks. So today I want to talk to you about Google Tag Manager. I will give you 3 actionable tips that you can implement this week. If you're investing, say £5,000 or £10,000 a month in Google Ads, well, you're likely already familiar with Google Tag Manager, also known as GTM. But let's be honest, GTM can sometimes feel as perplexing as a Rubik's Cube. It's pitched as a simplification tool, yet its simplicity is often its greatest complexity. It's like having a Swiss Army knife, but only knowing how to use a bottle opener. GTM is often pigeonholed as just a tag management system. However, it's a treasure trove of insightful data, acting like a digital Sherlock Holmes for you. Now, most marketeers barely scratch its surface, not realizing the depth of its capabilities. Imagine having a sports car and never shifting out of first gear. It's how underutilized GTM is in many marketing strategies. Actionable tip number 1 for advanced triggering. So start with advanced triggering options. GTM allows you to create triggers based on specific user actions like clicking a button or spending a certain amount of time on a page. By setting these triggers, you can capture nuanced user behavior, allowing for more targeted and effective ad campaigns. Actionable tip number 2, custom variables. So custom variables are your secret weapon. They let you track specific user actions and attributes, like how often a user interacts with a feature or their journey through your site. Now, this data is gold for refining ad targeting and improving user experience. Actionable tip number 3, integrating with a CRM. So you can integrate your CRM and it can be a game changer. By syncing GTM with your CRM, you can track leads from the moment they click on your ad to the moment they make a purchase. This seamless integration provides a holistic view of the customer journey for you, enhancing your abilities to make data-driven decisions. GTM has a huge amount of untapped potential. There really is so much more to GTM than meets the eye. It's a powerhouse tool that, when utilised, can revolutionise your ad strategy. From enhancing user tracking to improving ROI, the benefits are boundless. So in conclusion, GTM is not just a tag manager, it's a key to unlocking a world of digital marketing possibilities for you and your brand. So embrace its quirks and complexities and you'll transform your strategies from mundane to magical. The only limit in the world of GTM is your creativity and willingness to explore its depths. Now remember, if you're spending £10,000 or more per month on your PPC spend, I recommend you book in for a free PPC audit with us. As you'll know, we've got a large team of dedicated PPC experts who are ready and waiting to show you how to improve your results. Yes, we've done this for over 1,000 brands just like yours, and we can help you get better results and fast. So make this year your best ever by simply going to Google and typing in PPC Geeks free Google Ads audit. And remember, if you have any queries or questions, just reach out to us. Well, thanks again for your time, and we'll hopefully speak to you soon.